All right, y'all. So, and Clyde was out here, and he's the concierge. He's awesome, and he was just showing me the pet park that's out here, and man, it's nice. So it's on the B1 floor, so it is part of the building, and let's walk it a little bit because it is really rather large. It's a lot of space, and there's a bench here, and then wow, look at all this. This is very big. And we're in the middle of it, and it's really, really big. And I'm smelling, by the way, and it smells great. They must clean it very regularly because it smells awesome. And then it is gated, so it's protected and private out here. So great feel. And there's a city. Now you can go out that access gate if you want to, and then go out and start walking there too. In addition, I want to point out that there is a dog wash. Pause and relax. How cute is that? Pause and relax. There's treats here, and then I love it. This is the first one I've seen that's a human water, and then dog water. So human fountain and drinking fountain for a dog at the same place, same time. That's just very clever, and I love it. Wow, this is great. I love this feel, and it's called Fletcher's Park, by the way.